In order to catch a speeder, you have to speed, correct? That's a no-brainer. So if somebody's going 60 miles an hour and you're going after them in a 40 or a 30 or whatever it is, you obviously have to go. I can't do math. That's why I became a cop. You got to go faster in order to catch them, or you're going to not accomplish anything. So why do we do that? We do that because that's the only way to enforce the law. We do that because we have been or should be better trained as drivers than the average citizen, right? There's certain things that are built in here that allow us to do that. So that's our norm. But then pursuits, we've tended to drift and normalize the deviation from that limited reason why we're allowed to speed and catch people, and turn it into a full-blown chase under all circumstances for any reason. All right. Uh, I hope I said that in a way that makes sense. Laura, am I losing ground here or not? So in other words, yes, you're gonna speed in the performance of your duties. You are, but we have extended that into a situation where, from 1979 to 2013, 11,500 people were killed, including 139 cops, 25, almost 2,500 bystanders, 2,600 passengers, and this doesn't even touch the injuries. How many injuries? And individual states have more data than NHTSA does, but there's some information out there that nationwide, there's based on individual state data, it could be as high as 7,400 people, 7,400 people per year, in addition to this, injured during pursuits. So that's pretty big. That this is a lot of consequence here. So again, this is not being shown to tell you can never chase anybody. But what you have to consider is this: have we drifted, right? We know that, yes, there are circumstances where you can speed. Your laws, probably almost all states, allow variation in speed limits. In other words, you don't have to adhere to speed limits by statute so that you can do your jobs. That's acceptable. That's fine. But it doesn't stop you from having to use some judgment and not drift that and extend it too far.